Hello! Welcome to my channel. I am completely using Canva and other AI tools to generate content in this channel. And I am going to explain to you in my future videos how am I going to do it. And here's the small example for some YouTubers on how to effectively use your time and create the content where you can get millions of views.
Thrive4You is a platform where your dreams become real. We have been working on social media for the past 5 years.
YouTubers, you can't miss this AI. What if I told you don't find thumbnails, title, descriptions, and tags? Instead, use this AI called Taza. Just copy and paste your video link, select tone of video, and click on Optimize. It will generate SEO optimized title, description, and tags for your video, so you can just copy and paste. It also create multiple thumbnail for your videos. To try this AI, comment AI, and link will be in your DM.